It's never been touched, no activity, it's not set up or anything, it's totally brand new. So I want to show you that it is working, and it's working great, and there's no other confusion from any other fires from anywhere else. So this is brand new. So first of all, we're going to go into our Pixel and we're going to set up the base code. So I'm going to click set up Pixel, manually store the code yourself. So I'm going to grab this, which is the base code, and then I'm going to come back to this Shopify store. So first of all, we're going to do the quick sales page one. So there's two places you can do this, or two ways you can do this. You can either put it in a quick sales page by going into it, the editor, and down here you can add it down here. Okay, so you can add this here, and you can add the event, which I'm going to show you in a minute as well. But I'm going to show you how you can add it into the actual code of the theme files, so you'll never have to worry about it again. So by adding it to the theme files, then every quick sales page you make will be covered. So it's entirely up to you whether you put it here or in the theme code. If you've already got a ton of pages or whatever, you might want to put it in the theme code, but it's either one or the other. Don't do it on both ways. Okay, so if you put it here in the editor, it's super easy. You just copy and paste it in. And let's have a look. Let's show you quickly how to do it. So you go to online store, actions, edit code. Super easy to do it this way. Theme.quicksalespage.liquid. Find the head tag. The head tag, sorry, which is here. So we're going to put it above the head tag, one row above. Control V. I'm going to paste that in there. So that's our base code, and this is the page view action there. So that's in. Then I'm just going to make another space so it's a bit more clear. I'm going to come back to my Facebook pixel, hit continue. I'm going to get the view content code here. I'm going to copy this code to the clipboard, come back, paste that in there, and hit save. So that has now covered all of my quick sales pages, or all of your quick sales pages. You never have to think about that again, and we'll see it working in just a minute. So the other thing we need to do is come down to preferences down here, and we need to get that pixel number from here, or the ID number. Copy that and put that in here. So what this is going to do is this is going to cover all the rest of your pages on your store. This one's placed by Shopify. This is going to do your page view and everything on all your other products. This is going to cover all the conversions and stuff like that, stuff that happens after a sale's been made. So that's those two. So let's just go and have a quick test of this. Oops, wrong one. Get to apps. Let me grab. Just grab a URL of this page. Copy link address. And let's go back here. And let's just paste it in here, and we can see that this is going to fire, send test traffic. So you can see with the pixel helper up here, we've got the 3 ticks. That's all fine. Facebook some in a moment. There we go. So active, that's literally just activated right there and then. So that's definitely working. Let's go and have a quick look at our product. So just a regular Shopify product on the store. Go and have a look at that. You can see that's active. Now here we've got this yellow exclamation mark and a triangle there. Don't worry about that. That doesn't mean your pixel's not working or not firing. What that is there's no product catalog set up, and I might do a video on that later on, but not just yet. But the view content pixel is actually firing. You only need to worry if it's red. So if it's red, it's not firing at all. So yellow means it's firing, but it hasn't got all the data because there's no product catalog set up. Okay, so you'll still get a view content fire when it's yellow like that. So that's those two. So let me just quickly do a refresh on this page. So soon enough we will start getting some data coming through. Now the thing is with the data coming through, which could be confusing people, and it's confused the hell out of me, is that Facebook sometimes, you can see last activated a minute ago, we should start getting some data down here about the URLs and and the exact events that have happened. But sometimes it comes through real quick, sometimes it takes absolutely ages coming through. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do a test purchase here. Now you'll notice I've just hit add to cart. For this button embed, I'm going to be doing another separate video on this add to cart and getting the add to cart pixel to fire, because it's been absolutely pure hell for me to get to the bottom of that. So I'm going to cover that in the next video. But what I'm going to do now is just make a test purchase so that we can just see the other pixels firing off. So you can see up here we've got the page view, initiate checkout's gone off there, fine. We'll check that in our actual Facebook data after. So I'm just going to make this test purchase quick. Boom, pixels firing again. Continue to payment method. Let's just quickly fill this in. Oops. Complete order. Okay, thank you very much. Purchase pix was fired. We got the yellow thing, but it's only because we don't have a product catalog. That's fired absolutely fine, and we're going to check that data out in here. So what I might have to do is just pause the video and wait for a little while for that data to come through. Yeah, which I will have to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close these tabs off. I'm not going to visit any more of those pages. I'm going to pause the video, and then once that data has come through, I'll finish off this video. And then in the next video, I will cover how to get your add to cart to fire with the embed button. Okay, thanks guys. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so the data's come through. It's been about, what was it? It was 8:58 AM when I looked. So 14 minutes there, 16 minutes it's saying up here. So it took that long to come through. So that might be one reason why some of you guys have been getting confused, and it's also been confusing me, because the data just is so erratic when it comes through. But luckily we've got it, and luckily this is brand new pixel, so we can see exactly what's happening. So here we've got add a page view, view content, add payment info, initiate checkout, and a purchase. So that's because I did the test purchase. Let's click this activity tab and have a look at that. So the page views, this is where we looked and checked out those page views. These ones, so yeah, here's our quick sales page ones that I looked at, and here's our Shopify ones that we looked at. View content, we can see this one here because we haven't got that product catalog set up. Look, this was the one where I looked at it on the Shopify store, and these two are our quick sales page templates. Add payment info, this is where I did the test purchase. Initiate checkout, test purchase again, and then our conversion here on our test purchase as well. So we did one test purchase, we got one conversion. Everything is great and everything is working fantastically. So if you set your pixels up like that, you will be golden and good to go. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get the add to cart to fire with the Shopify embed button. Okay, thanks guys, bye for now.